Are you tired of common skin problems and looking for natural remedies? If that's a resounding yes, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of skincare, specifically focusing on common skin problems and how to address them with simple, natural therapies right at home. Understanding your skin type and its unique needs is the first step in maintaining a healthy, radiant complexion. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, there's a natural remedy out there that can help you achieve balance and beauty. From acne to wrinkles, sunburn to hyperpigmentation, we'll be discussing a broad range of skin issues that affect women of all skin types. We'll not only identify these problems, but also provide you with tried and tested home therapies recommended by experts in the field. So, are you ready to embark on a journey towards healthier, happier skin? Stay tuned as we delve into the common skin problems and their natural remedies. First on our list is the all-too-common, acne. Now, acne is a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. It often causes whiteheads, blackheads, or pimples. Acne is most common among teenagers, but it affects people of all ages. But don't fret, there are natural remedies available right in your kitchen. Honey and cinnamon make a potent mask that can battle acne. Honey is a natural antibiotic and works to pull out dirt from your open pores. Cinnamon, on the other hand, works to halt the growth of bacteria and reduce inflammation. Another remedy is tea tree oil, known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. A few drops mixed with water can be used as a toner. Lastly, green tea, rich in antioxidants, can be used topically to reduce sebum production and treat acne. Remember, consistency is key in seeing results. Next up, we have dry skin. An all-too-common issue, dry skin can be a result of various factors. It might be due to environmental conditions, like harsh weather, or it could be a result of your lifestyle choices, such as not drinking enough water. Dry skin often leads to discomfort, itchiness, and unsightly flaky patches. But don't fret, there are natural home remedies that can provide relief. Coconut oil, for instance, is a fantastic moisturizer. It penetrates the skin deeply, replenishing natural oils and locking in moisture. Aloe vera, a plant praised for its healing properties, can soothe and hydrate dry skin. And don't forget about oatmeal baths. Yes, the breakfast staple can provide relief too. Oatmeal has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe dry, itchy skin. Just remember, while these remedies can help on the surface, hydration is crucial both inside and out. So, drink plenty of water and moisturize regularly to keep dry skin at bay. Keep in mind, hydration is crucial both inside and out. Now let's tackle oily skin. Oily skin occurs when the sebaceous glands in the skin make too much sebum, a waxy, oily substance that protects and hydrates the skin. Sebum is vital for keeping the skin healthy. However, too much can lead to oily skin, clogged pores, and acne flare-ups. So how can you manage oily skin naturally? One option is egg whites. High in vitamin A, egg whites can effectively dry out skin blemishes as well as tone and tighten oily skin. Tomatoes, rich in vitamin C, are naturally acidic, so they can help balance your skin and get rid of excessive oil. Lemons also work wonders. The citric acid present in lemon helps absorb oil and aids in shedding dead skin cells. These remedies can be applied directly to the skin or mixed with other natural ingredients to enhance their effectiveness. Remember, balance is the goal, not complete elimination of oil. Moving forward, let's discuss blackheads and whiteheads. These common skin nuisances are caused by clogged hair follicles. In the case of blackheads, the clog is open to the air, causing it to darken. Whiteheads, on the other hand, are closed off, remaining light in color. These can lead to a bumpy complexion and may even escalate into acne if not addressed. Now let's talk about natural remedies. A baking soda and water paste can work wonders. Gently apply this concoction to the affected area, let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse. The baking soda helps exfoliate and unclog your pores. Another tried and true remedy is apple cider vinegar. Its natural acids help to balance your skin's pH and encourage the clogged pores to clear. Remember though, these remedies aren't instant fixes. Consistent care is the best way to prevent these pesky problems. Next, we look at the often painful sunburn. Now, sunburn is not just a summer concern. It's a common skin problem that can occur any time of the year. Essentially, sunburn is the skin's response to extreme UV radiation. It causes the skin to become red, sensitive, and sometimes it even blisters. But don't worry, there are natural remedies that can help soothe sunburnt skin. For instance, a cool milk compress can provide immediate relief. The coolness soothes the burn, while the milk creates a protein film that helps ease the discomfort. Aloe vera, known for its healing properties, is another great remedy. Simply apply fresh aloe vera gel directly onto the sunburn for a cooling and healing effect. Another interesting remedy is black tea. The tannins in black tea reduce inflammation and help your skin recover. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so don't forget your SPF. Now, let's talk about wrinkles. Wrinkles, those pesky lines and creases that form in your skin as you age, are a natural part of the aging process. They occur as the skin loses elasticity and moisture over time. Yet factors like sun exposure, smoking, and poor nutrition can accelerate their appearance. But don't fret, there are natural ways to combat wrinkles. Olive oil, a staple in most kitchens, is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can rejuvenate your skin and reduce wrinkles. Just massage a few drops into your skin before bed and let it work its magic. Bananas, too, can be your skin's best friend. They're packed with skin-friendly nutrients that can help diminish the appearance of wrinkles. Mash a ripe banana and apply it as a mask, washing it off after 30 minutes. Lastly, pineapple. This tropical fruit contains enzymes that promote skin elasticity, moisture, and eliminate dead skin. Simply rub some pineapple pulp on your skin and rinse after a few minutes. Remember, aging is a fact of life, but looking your age is not. Next up, we have dark circles. These pesky shadows casting a gloom under your eyes are often a result of stress, fatigue, aging, or even genetics. They can make you look tired and older than you really are, dimming that natural sparkle in your eyes. But don't worry, nature has gifted us with simple remedies to combat these unwelcome guests. Let's start with cucumber slices. Known for their cooling effect, placing chilled cucumber slices on your eyes for about 10 minutes can help reduce puffiness and lighten dark circles. Next, we have tea bags. Rich in antioxidants and caffeine, they can stimulate blood circulation, reducing the appearance of dark circles. Just steep 2 tea bags, let them cool, and place them on your eyes for 15 minutes. Lastly, rosewater, a wonderful skin toner, can rejuvenate the skin and lighten dark circles. Just soak cotton pads in rosewater and place them on your eyes. Remember, a good night's sleep is also a natural remedy. Now, let's tackle puffy eyes. Often seen as a sign of fatigue or stress, puffy eyes can be a common concern for many. When the skin around our eyes swells, it can give our face a tired, unrefreshed appearance. This can be caused by various factors including lack of sleep, allergies, diet, and even genetics. But fret not, there are natural remedies we can use to help alleviate this. Cold spoons, for instance, can provide a cool relief that helps reduce swelling. Green tea bags, rich in antioxidants and caffeine, can soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. And then there's the humble potato slice. Potatoes contain enzymes that can help to reduce puffiness. However, while these remedies can provide temporary relief, it's crucial to remember that they're not permanent solutions. If your puffy eyes persist, it might be a sign of an underlying issue that needs to be addressed. Remember, it's important to address the root cause of your puffy eyes. Finally, we discuss hyperpigmentation. A common skin concern, hyperpigmentation is characterized by dark patches on the skin. It's caused by an excess production of melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color. Factors such as sun exposure, hormonal changes, age, and even certain medications can trigger hyperpigmentation. Now let's talk natural remedies. Lemon packed with vitamin C can help lighten these dark spots. Simply apply fresh lemon juice to the affected area, leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse. Turmeric, an ancient remedy, is also effective. Its active ingredient, curcumin, reduces melanin production. Mix turmeric powder with milk to create a paste, apply it to the skin, and rinse after it dries. Finally, aloe vera. This soothing plant contains aloin, a natural depigmenting compound that can lighten skin. Apply pure aloe vera gel to the dark spots before bed and wash it off in the morning. Remember, patience is key when dealing with hyperpigmentation. These remedies won't offer overnight results, but with consistent use, you'll see a noticeable improvement. And there we have it, 10 common skin problems and their natural remedies. From acne to hyperpigmentation, we've delved into a variety of skin issues that many women encounter. We've also explored an array of natural remedies, from honey masks for acne to cucumber slices for puffy eyes. But remember, while these remedies can work wonders, consistency is key. You won't see a transformation overnight, but with regular care, you'll notice improvements over time. A healthy lifestyle also plays a vital role. Hydrate frequently, eat a balanced diet, and ensure you're getting enough sleep. Your skin is a reflection of your overall health after all. And let's not forget, while home remedies can be effective, don't hesitate to seek professional advice for persistent or severe skin problems. Dermatologists and skincare specialists are there to help. Remember, your skin is unique to you. Treat it with care and it will thank you. Until next time, stay glowing.